If you are serious about algo trading, you know how slow and frustrating backtesting in MetaTrader can be. Running one EA at a time, switching between MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, and manually handling reports, it is inefficient and time-consuming. Today I will show you MT Backtester by quantmonitor.net, a professional MetaTrader toolbox built for fast batch backtesting. It supports both MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, offers a clean web user interface, a powerful command line for automation, and lets you run multiple backtests in parallel. If you want to upgrade your research workflow, this is something you need to see. Let's dive in. After downloading the auto backtester from our dashboard, you need to unpack the zip folder. So just unzip it to the new folder, and now you need to register your license. So after activation, you will see this window. Now let's go through the whole toolbox so you will know how to set up and how to use it. Here is the control panel where you can see the progress of running the backtest. Here in the settings, you can set up path to MetaTrader workers. You need to also specify the report directory and source directory with MetaTrader source codes, and you need to also set up the active broker. Here you can see the backtest configuration where you are specifying from date to date. You need to also set up your target platform, backtest model, forward optimization, optimization criteria, and execution mode. You can also set up the initial deposit for the MT backtester. Here you are also specifying the report check delay. It is time for waiting, saving MetaTrader HTML report. And here you can also specify the timeout. It means that time when the MetaTrader can be stuck for a while, so you can set up this timeout to kill that process and skip the backtest. And if you set up 0, it means unlimited. Now let's load the default configuration. It is a default configuration so you can start using immediately. For now, I will use MetaTrader 5 configuration. Please note that if you are specifying path to MetaTrader 5 or 4 workers, please do not use spaces. Otherwise, the backtest will not work. You can run multiple MetaTrader 5 or 4 workers that can be used for backtesting in parallel. So when we have set up 2 workers, it means that can handle 2 workers backtesting all your strategies at once. And you can also add more. And please note that when you are specifying the workers, you need to switch and prepare MetaTrader 5 or 4 worker to portable mode. How to set up portable mode you can find on our blog, and the procedure is also the same for MetaTrader 5. So now let's go back to MT Backtester. I set up 2 folders to target reports directory and the source directory for source code. We also included to this initial directory some example of strategies with the source code, and 2 strategies are not able to compile. It is a reason behind it because we had to implement some kind of protection when the strategy is not compiled. The tool is also able to handle this situation automatically. If the strategy is not able to compile it, then it will be skipped in the backtest. That's it for the setting. Now let's talk about the symbol mapping and configuration. Here you have shortcode, and this shortcode is mapped to the longer name or ticker name by broker. Some of the brokers are using different names or postfix or prefix, so we had to implement some kind of broker mapping configuration where the longer name is mapped to broker target name, and here you can specify for each broker. So please note that you have to configure your target broker symbol mapping, otherwise the deployment or backtesting process will not work. We have also possibility to backtest one strategy on multiple time frames or multiple markets. You just simply drag and drop here your strategy, select the batch setting, select the model, select from date to date, and here you need to specify the active broker for the backtesting. And here below this button appears the log output where you can see the progress. We have also implemented the rename tool configuration, so you can easily import your rename tool config. You can just simply edit here. Here is the description how the magic numbers works. You can easily find your market and time frame. You can also specify here the time frames, order types, indicators. All these values are used in the strategy naming syntax. And here you can see another example. And we are coming to the last step. Here you can use EA deployer because we implemented all tools to one single tool. So there is not necessary to use the older versions. You can see here some practical guide, and here you are specifying the MetaTrader installation path. Just simply click on browse. Let's select your target platform. Here you need to specify path to source. You need to select your target broker profile. Click on run. You can see here that two strategies from the examples were not compiled, so they has been skipped for the deployment. Now we can see the deployment process is ready, and now let's launch the MetaTrader, and these strategies has been deployed. Only the E40 has not been deployed because of the symbol mapping. So that's it, guys. If you want to get this tool, please go to the quantmonitor.net, and if you like this video, please share and hit the subscribe button so you will make sure that you do not miss any future content, and see you in another video.